Hey, what's up guys? I'm Rob with SkidSteerSolutions.com, and today we're going to take a closer look at the 42X Brush Cutter from Brush Wolf. After we go over the features of the attachment, we'll take it into the bush and show you exactly what it can do. All of Brush Wolf's machines are proudly designed, fabricated, powder coated, assembled, and tested here in the USA. Introducing the new Brush Wolf 42X for your mini excavator or backhoe loader. Designed with a piston motor to increase motor efficiency and with quicker recovery time. The 42X runs cooler and without cavitation on shutdown. A vented hood improves the drivetrain protection. The primary auxiliary hydraulic flow required is between 14 and 23 gallons per minute. The optional chain guard can be purchased for one or both sides of the brush cutter. The chain curtains weigh 36 pounds each, and they are used to reduce debris discharge if cutting near roadsides or homes. The chain curtain weight is in addition to the 710 pounds for the brush cutter. It's time to take this thing out in the field and put it through its paces. Brian's going to run the machine for us today and show us how it's done. Thanks for watching this presentation of the 42X Brush Cutter from Brush Wolf. If you'd like to learn more or get a quote today, come visit the leader in attachments online at SkidSteerSolutions.com.